Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what do ticks look like? Ticks are actually arachnids, and they have 8 legs. Ticks can be found in regions all across the United States. The deer tick, the Lone Star tick, the American dog tick, or the brown dog tick. The brown dog tick can be found everywhere in the United States. Now, as stated before, it has 8 legs, it has a head, an abdomen with a teardrop-shaped body, and is uniformly brown. You want to look at their color patterns to identify which tick you specifically have. Ticks can be found anywhere from your backyard to just a stroll in the park. What they'll do is they'll climb to the edge of a blade of grass or on the edge of a bush and hold their little arms out like a baby wanting its mother. You walk by, they cling on for dear life, and away you go. When you get your pet inside, you're going to want to inspect your pet for ticks. Look in between their toes, underneath their collar, by the base of their tail, or in their armpits. No matter what tick you may find on your pet or on your property, you want to treat them all the same way, aggressively. You definitely don't want a tick infestation. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. They usually climb to the end of a plant or the end of a blade of grass, and they hold their little baby arms. Damn, they hold their little arms out like a baby.
Almost.